Everyone knows that sometimes we have items that resell and we can't even explain why. Well, today we have another one of those items and we're on the hunt for it. One of the dumbest and hardest to find items that I have tried to source yet. Now, a lot of you probably have no idea what item I am talking about. I'm talking about the illustrious, the hard to find, the ultra rare Pepsi branded Peeps bottles. So today, we're going on the hunt. Our mission is extremely simple. We have to scour our local stores to try to find some of these Pepsi branded Peeps bottles. These things are reselling for stupid money, and we only have a limited amount of time to find them. So today, we are going to look up our Pepsi tracker. I will link that in the description. We're gonna go try to find some of these Pepsi branded Peeps stuff, because apparently, this is the hot item right now. Let's go see if there's any local stores that have it near us, and then let's go find this. All right, so when we go to this Pepsi product locator website, I'll link it in the description, we find that there is one store in a 20-mile radius of me that says that they have these 7.5 ounce Peeps Pepsi cans. That doesn't give us a lot of hope, but it does give us something. So let's go try to find these Pepsi Peeps. Reseller tip number 1, always be nice to your post office ladies. If they like you and your package weighs a little bit too much, they would just send it right through. Always remember that. Please be here, please be here, please be here. Oh no. You gotta be kidding me. Coke, Cherry Coke, Sprite, Fanta, Diet Dr. Pepper, 7-Up. Where is the Pepsi? Wait, where? Oh, let's not waste any time while we're here. Let's scrounge the store, see if we can find anything worth picking up. Keep an eye on this one as Easter approaches. Could be a good seller. Finally found one on sale for $72, going on Amazon for about $130. We're gonna pick this one up. We took a massive L on these Pepsi Peeps today. We're in need of a dub, so let's hit up the place that never lets us down. Believe it or not, guys, this is where we make the most of our money, right here. Let's take a look at some of the socks that they have lined up here on the wall today. We're looking for stance socks. These stance socks bring in a good amount of money on Amazon. They're a quick seller. They've got a lot of different stance socks here today. A lot of movie themed socks, some MLB socks, Chucky socks, Ace Ventura. They've even got some Fortnite socks. So let's go through some of these stance socks and let's pick out which ones we're going to take home today. We get some Kyrie's here too. I'm not going to pick these up because they're $50, a little bit too expensive for me, and you never know with Kyrie. These could be worthless tomorrow, so we're going to put these back. Pretty nice Michigan Nike sweatshirt here. $35 retail, going for $11.99. We're going to pick this up. This should be a pretty easy mover on Amazon or on eBay. Alright guys, take a look at everything we picked up from Ross today. We found this Adidas Polo, $65 retail, going for $16.99. We're going to move this one pretty easy. Next up, we found 4 of these Adidas jackets, $21.99 here at Ross. I found one in medium, large, extra large, and double XL. You guys can see $65 MSRP. I only found the double XL on Amazon, so I'm going to get that one listed up, and then we'll see about these other 3. I'm going to go ahead and get all 4 of them, though, because I know that we're going to be able to move them for good money. Now, let's move on to some socks. We found some more stance socks, some Star Wars socks here. These are going to move pretty well on Amazon. They have a pretty high sell-through rate. Next, this is the find of the day, some Stance Performance socks. These are moving for about $30 from $5.99. And then we got 2 hats here, a Jazz hat and this Cleveland Cavs New Era hat, both $7.99. These are going to move for good money. We didn't find the Peeps Pepsi can. Unfortunately, we just didn't find it. Today was not our day. We checked all the stores. We didn't find the can. But what that does mean is it's still extremely limited, and you guys should be checking your local stores every single day. Check your Walmarts, check your Krogers, and check your gas stations. This is a very cheap item that flips for over 5x of what you will pay for it. We didn't get lucky today. Maybe we will tomorrow. Maybe we'll find some in the next episode of Resell Life. See you guys then.